Bicolandia. With APB, Asian African Pop Boy. Hello mga ka-Pop Boy.
Yes.
Grind lang kami ni Pop Boy. Going to Naga, Bicol. And the sunset is rising. Oh, very. My skincare in my face. It's so rough. My goodness. It's so maraming lubak. The road of Bicol. So many lubak-lubak. I'll show you the lubak. Oh yeah, that's the lubak. A slow moving lubak. That's the lubak here. It's so very dummy. You is beautiful, but the road is so lubak-lubak. The car is dug. See that? The sunset. Oh, very beautiful view. But there is so many lubak. Ay, Kamsur. That's why we chose bike hauler. Bike hauler is very nice. We came everywhere. Thank you so much, bike hauler. That's why I choose this, because very awesome services. Thank you so much, bike hauler. Mama chop ring. It is a good vibes, guys, because there's the driver, me also. I have a story for you guys. This lately morning, and we eat with African Pop Boy. The tindera is called Kuya. Come in. Kain kayo
Ulam.
Kain kayo sira.
Sira.
And I thinking about the sira, because the sira in Tagalog is guba. I don't know why what this the ulam order is called sira.
Gago.
Why Bicol?
Sira na binibinta niyo po?
Yeah, it's the sira. Why you sell? That's my story. In the early morning, and now the sunset is rise. See that? Yeah. I'm sorry for very speaking English, because you know we're so exotic. You see that? Very damning hole in the road. Ay, what's happening here? Wait, it's more. So very dami lubak, oh. Ay nako. Yeah, the hole. Oh, there's more. It's that. So many hole. My God, what's happening here? This is the road. Oh my goodness. How many kilometers away? That's why so many hole there. Oh, come on. Bye. Thank you for watching my nonsense video. Pew.